Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add social media icons in Carrd.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Carrd, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding social media icons in your Carrd.co website or Carrd is a straightforward process that could make it easier for visitors to connect with you on multiple platforms, helping to broaden your reach and attract a larger audience. By linking to your social media profiles, you encourage visitors to follow you on various platforms, enhancing your overall online presence. For us to be able to do that, all you're gonna do is hover to the plus button here that says add an element. And from here, all you're gonna do is click on the icons under links. You see, you have multiple options here, but we're going to, of course, deal with any of them. All right. Now you have an option for the email wherein you can put in the URL. All right. So you have like dependent on the symbols. So for the email, that's gonna be something like, let's check this one. All right. You can put in the URL. Of course, you can choose the color if you wanted. Now I'm gonna choose something like maybe yellow. That's gonna be a little bit red. Now on click optional, that's gonna be for you need to avail the pro services to access the feature by upgrading to a full pro plan. But if you don't want that, maybe later just go to the default. All right, you can also use a code to run this icon when click if you wanted, but of course you need to be more tech savvy or you need some deep expertise for you to be able to do that. If you don't want it, just click on delete and click on add. So this is going to be the icon. All right, now you see we have two icons already. You can add another one if you wanted. And of course, you can choose that maybe type. It's going to be social media, right? And let's check for the maybe mobile. All right, so for the mobile, of course, you can put in as much as detail as you can. You can also choose the PDF and Wi-Fi, and so there's a lot that you can choose. Okay. The idea is that icons provide a direct way for users to engage with their content in social media platform, whether by liking, sharing, or commenting. And of course, social media connections can help build a community around your brand, encouraging more frequent interactions and feedbacks. I'm gonna be choosing the link for now. All right. After that, of course, social media icons can reinforce your brand's image and make it easier for users to recognize and remember your brand. Not only that, social media icons here can drive traffic to your social media profiles, whether you share updates, promotions, and content that encourages further visits to your website. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.